Uh, Welcome back to Reverend Big John's Backyard Fishing. I had just done a whole intro, and for some reason my GoPro had frozen and wasn't working. But anyway, welcome back to Rev Big John's Backyard Fishing. We are back on Lake Nedwood. Got about an hour to fish this stuff. It's my last day here in Gaithersburg area. And I was saying that, you know, all the rains have come, and now this water is probably about like a foot higher than what it was. So it could be a good time to maybe nail one. It's been a big heavy rainstorm, and you can see the overcast clouds, the wind is blowing right now, and all that other stuff is going on. So we're just gonna see if we can't get something to hit. But once again, for the second time or third time, welcome back to Reverend Big John's Backyard Fishing, giving on to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Without him, none of this is possible. Let's see if Nedwood will show me, Needwood, I keep saying Nedwood, but Needwood will show me some love with all this fresh rain, all this fresh water. See if any fish done moved up. So far, no nibbles or no bites, and nothing has come to hit me or investigate. Got the black and blue worm on, dipped in chartreuse, garlic, spike it. It's perfect bass looking water, so I tell you that much, with all of the higher water and what it was. Looking to see if anything has moved up close. See if we can't get some action. I don't know, something just kind of jumped right there. I don't know if it was a fish or a turtle. And one way to find out. One way to find out. Put your line in the water. As you can see, there's a lot of rain. This big old carpet was on that ramp over there. Not anymore. This has been a tough spot. Yeah, I see turtles sticking out. Yeah, this has been a tough spot, period, man. It looked like you'd be killing right here, though. Anyway, it's been an interesting 3 weeks I've been out here. I had a chance to catch some nice fish. Caught my first snakehead finally. I was going over there today, but you know, when you got heavy rains, you don't want to be on the Potomac. That thing can flood at any given minute and you get trapped somewhere. So I decided to come back over here to Needwood since it was the closest. Anyway, had a good time down here. Time to get back to my part of town now. Let's move down and try this other area here. One thing about red, we're gonna thoroughly work an area. They ain't biting, they just ain't biting, but ain't because we didn't completely soak the area, saturate the area with this lure. Try to get it in front of as many faces as possible and see which ones will hit. Patience, my friend. Patience. Patience, young Padawan. The force is strong with this one. Bass you catch. Catch bass you will. That's what I know. The little ones. I don't need the little. They was fooling around with it. Not quite taking it in. I told you the force is strong with this one. Bass you will catch. Catch bass you will. I just need them to stop playing. I don't see nothing following either. He who waits patiently on fish shall catch. Just because the fish does not bite readily does not mean that he will not one day bite. At the moment of biting, then you must set the hook. Confucius say all these things, but you must be ready when the fish bites. And you cannot be ready if your line is not in the water. Can somebody tell me that I don't know what I'm talking about? I know y'all be coming to this channel, I'll be like, man, where are all the fish catchers? Hey man, I got some good ones and I got some bad ones. Last time I checked, it's all about fishing. That's why you came, right? For that and edits. I would love to load it up every time I come out here. I think everybody who fishes would love that. But let's just face it, man. There are some hard places to fish. The places I seek out, trying to catch a fish. And there's some gold mine places too. I just ain't found none lately. But let's just see what happens when the fall cranks up. That's all right. We still swinging. I'm glad y'all sticking with me. I appreciate it. That means some of y'all had them days too. But just because days are tough, don't mean we stop. Yeah, I know. But I tell you, it's all about ministry. You learn life skills, life lessons from fishing. Teaching you how to deal with everything and everybody. Jesus said, follow me, I'll make you fishers of men. He knew that this walk and fishing are one and the same. Uh-oh. Some had jumped on it, but let go. We don't want you to let go. We want you to keep on fooling with it. Uh-oh. Raindrops. Not prepared for rain. Well, I am, but it's in the car. Come on, man. Y'all know I'm prepared for every situation, every scenario. I was hoping it would stay away, though. Oh, man, I had one that nibbled, and then I ain't even fooling with it no more. Cover. Now I just need a bass to hit. Make it all worthwhile. Coming back for that hit. Uh-oh, just got picked up. Oh, man, no. I saw him through the shade. He nibbled, but he ain't take the whole thing in. Come on, man, what's up with that? I can't believe he let that go. Alright, I'm about to get out of here. I ain't trying to be soaked. I'll come back. But if I don't, hey, it's Reverend BigJohn. Always remember, keep the Lord first to keep your lines tight. God bless. I'll see you next time on the water. It's still raining, but it ain't like super heavy where I would get soaked or drenched. And I was going to check this one spot. Somebody got over there, so somebody came in. I'm gonna go finish up these spots over here, and then I'll get out of here. It's in my blood, man. It's in my blood. If I had my Timbs on, I'd be good, period. But I got my tennis shoes on, so they're about to get wet. But I got a pair of backup tennis shoes in the car. Y'all know I'll be prepared, man. Plus, I still got about 30 minutes, man. I gotta just sit around and wait till my... Actually, he don't finish till 4, so I actually have about an hour and a half. But I like to go in and watch the last hour. You know, see where all my money going. Alright, so we back. Let's see. Oh man, now who want me?